Well, thank you for joining us on CMath. This lesson I'm looking at the quotient of mixed numbers, and we will start with two mixed numbers. So let's start with, say, an example and pick any mixed number, say 8 and 3/5. Let's pick another mixed number, let's say 3 and a half. Now these are two interesting mixed numbers. 8 and 3/5 divided by, a quotient is to divide by 3 and a half. All right, a little bit trickier than a product, but we still start the same way. What I've got is two mixed numbers, so I'm going to change these to improper fraction. So 8 times 5 is 40, plus 3 is 43 over 5, and 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so that's 7 over 2. Now we've got the division of two improper fractions. Now the beauty of having a division of improper fraction is to divide by a fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, and the reciprocal is like the upside down version of the fraction. So to divide by 7 over 2 is the same as to multiply by 2 over 7. We leave the first fraction alone, we don't change that, that's the value we have to start with. We will get the same answer that divides 7 over 2 and by multiplying 2 over 7. And nothing will cancel, so we can simply go, the top two numbers will multiply and the bottom two numbers will multiply, and we're left with 86 over 35. Now that's the answer as an improper fraction. Let's have a look at as a mixed number. 86 divided by 35, well, two 35s go into 86. 2 35s are 70, so the remainder of 16. And there it is. Oh, I just made a mistake here. That should be 35. And there is the answer as a mixed number. Both of those answers are correct. Improper fraction, mixed number. All right, we've got space, and let's have a look at a second question. It's the same process. I'll look at the number 7 and 3/4 divided by, let's look at a number that's bigger, for example 8 and 1/3. So we've got two mixed numbers. I'm going to change this to an improper. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 3 is 31, so we've got 31 over 4. And we divide that by 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25, so 25 over 3. Now we've got an improper fraction divided by an improper fraction. We started with two mixed numbers. Now we mentioned before, we leave the first fraction, and to divide by 25 over 3 will be the same as multiplying by, yes, you must get the reciprocal, and that's the upside down version of that fraction. And nothing will cancel. Alright, so we can simply say that will equal 31 times 3 on top, 4 times 25 underneath. That's a lovely number. So we've got 93 over 100. Yes, we could actually call this 0.93 if you like, because they're both the same as each other, and it cannot simplify further. And there is less than 1. 8 and 1/3 doesn't go fully into 7 3/4, but 0.93, it goes in 0.93 times, and that is dividing by mixed numbers. So I hope this lesson has helped. Until I catch up with you again, stay happy.